Hey guys, it's happened again when my room is a mess, and I'm gonna be honest, I really don't know how it keeps happening. It's not as bad as it was last time, but we have heaps of makeup to put away. So that is what I'm going to focus on in this video, is putting everything into the drawers, and just kind of generally tidying things up a little bit. It's a shambles in here at the moment because I've been doing my little thing trying to use up half of the my new products, so I'm just trying to be smashing out the videos and not really focusing on cleaning the room. Anyway, first things first, I have these boxes down here and they're all full of makeup, so to make things easier I'm going to go through and quickly sort them into categories so that I can put them in the drawers. So I'm going to do brows and then foundation, and then yeah, so that's what we're going to do now. And I just thought, I love this kind of stuff, just watching spit up things, so yeah. Okay, now I'm going to put the makeup into the drawers. I really want to do a declutter soon, so I don't know how cutthroat it's going to be, but I would just like to kind of go over my collection and just, yeah, I don't know, get rid of some old products. I have, for example, this Fenty mascara is probably years old, things like that I just need to get rid of. But anyway, that'll be a separate video, so keep an eye out. Okay, I just need to put my eyeshadow palettes away, but I need to clear some room on the floor first. It's really kind of hard because I'm honestly just running out of room in here. It's hard, but anyway, that's fine. What I'm going to do now is just kind of try and clean up this area just a little bit so that I can at least have a bit of a walkway. So yeah. Okay, so it's kind of a little bit better, kind of. I just really am running out of space. I need some more storage in here. Also, I need to get through this series so I can get rid of these boxes off the floor. They're driving me crazy. And I also have these floating shelves up here, but everything keeps falling off them, and you can probably see how they're kind of on a lean. So I'm going to see if Mum and Dad suggested that I get some L brackets to put under them, because I'm picking up these every other day and it's driving me nuts. So anyway, so I don't really have a place for my eyeshadow palettes at the moment. They're all in here and in here, but they're not going to fit in there. So my idea is I've got these shelves, or like these cubes here obviously, and I think what I'm going to do is move everything down a section because there's some stuff down there that looks fug and I don't love the way it looks. So I don't know guys, I'm just so like, I feel so overwhelmed. I want to love my studio, but I feel like don't get me wrong, I'm obviously very grateful, like I do love my studio, but I'm also so overwhelmed because I just, yeah, my idea is to like get a massive set of drawers to put here, so that's something that I might look into, but obviously just with saving with the house and stuff like that at the moment, it's just not really feasible. But I don't know, I might have to do the eyeshadow palette thing another day because I'm just going to have to clean out all of this stuff and I just can't right now. Basically, I'm just trying to make it so I can honestly just walk in here at the moment because I'm just overwhelmed and I don't know. I'm going to try and fit as many eyeshadow palettes as I can in here. New plan. I think that I need to go and look on IKEA and get some more storage because I just can't right now. What's in there? That's honestly, that drawer needs a good clean out. A lot of that could honestly probably go in the bin. It's old like Halloween hairspray and things like that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know guys. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a... This is what the room is looking like at the moment. So that box is rubbish and then these two boxes are things that need to go out that like don't need to be in the studio. So that box there is my big box of makeup to use this month. So when July's over I'm going to put that away with the rest of the makeup and hopefully I'll have used enough that like it will fit back in the drawers. So that'll make things like look a little bit better. I keep kind of tiptoeing around the issue, but I think it's just coming to the point, like the fact that like I just don't have enough storage really. So yeah, I think that I need to look at some more storage solutions. So I think that's just what I'm gonna have to do. But anyway, I feel like this video was a little bit chaotic, but I feel like there's just not much really that I can do. Like I've got all that stuff on the floor over there because it's like stuff that I want to display, but I literally don't have any more room left to display things. So it's just kind of like, I don't know. It is what it is. It's just stressing me a little bit. My kind of idea, I guess, is I'd love to get, I think they're called like the mom drawers or something like that from IKEA, and it's like two big like, it's like 6 drawers. And I'd love to put that here, and then I think I'd move everything that's here like over there. I'd get rid of this desk because it's just like a Kmart one and like it's alright, but it doesn't have any drawers or anything like that. Obviously I've got my nail drawers down there, and it's honestly like a little bit flimsy. I think that I would then move this desk and have that as my filming desk. Because that's another thing as well, like my filming desk is so small compared to the massive desk that I had before. I just had so much more storage and more space. But it's just getting to the point where it's kind of just not really working anymore. That's probably on me for buying and having so much makeup. But anyway, so that's my idea at the moment. So yeah, if you guys have any other ideas or anything, let me know. I feel like I need to go through this room soon and just do something, like just completely reorganize it. That might be a fun video to do, but yeah, I think that I'm going to have to look at getting some more drawers. It's probably about time. I got some new storage. Like I haven't bought anything for the studio in such a long time. All of this stuff I've had for ages now, and I haven't like bought anything new for like storage wise for the studio in years, so it's probably due for an update. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Sorry it's a little bit crazy. I just feel like at the moment I'm coming in here and I'm not feeling like proud of my room. I've always loved my studio and like I think it has so much potential in here, but I just need to get it sorted. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.